Hello and welcome. This video will instruct students how to utilize RefWorks for their research. First, I want to walk you through running a search and then using RefWorks to save your research. So first, go to the Regent Library homepage. Using Primo, type in what you would like to search for. I'm going to search for spiritual formation. Specifically, I want articles on this topic. Now I can use the filters to select articles. And then this article is from 2023, so it's fairly recent. This one's from 2021, so I'm going to use this one for our search today. First, you can click on the RW icon, or you can click down here and click RefWorks. When you click on that, you'll get a login screen typically. Now, if you don't have a RefWorks account, you click on No Account, sign up here, and then use your information to create an account. If you already have an account, then you can go ahead and sign in. Once you are logged in, you'll see this screen, Import References. These are the references that I have selected from Regent University's databases and am now importing over to RefWorks to organize my research. If you have organized your research into folders, which you can do over here to the left, you can select which folder you would like it to go in. If you do not have a folder, you can simply click Import. Then you can click on Go to Last Import. And there's my resource that I just imported in. To organize this, let's say we wanted to start researching for spiritual formation. We can go to Folders, add a folder, Spiritual Formation, and then I can go to Last Imported or All References. Then I can select the resource, assign to spiritual formation. Then once you click on the spiritual formation folder, you can see the resource that we just moved over to that folder. As you can see here to the left, I organize my RefWorks based on the papers that I'm writing. So I'll organize my research this way into folders based on my research projects. You can click around and organize your research how you would like. Additionally, one of the other extremely helpful tools is this is a good starting point to create a bibliography for students. So if I click on my Gospel of Mark paper, click on Create Bibliography, I can click on Chicago 17 edition, which is the formatting I write in, but there's 6,000 styles that you can see here. So if you're writing an APA, just simply type it in and select the one you want. Then, as you can see, this is a good starting point to utilize for constructing my bibliography. Now, it is the student's responsibility to ensure that this is correct information. However, it is a great starting point for students to use. So for instance, here I can see that there's some punctuation issues, but I can still copy this and edit it myself. And that is the best way to use RefWorks to organize your research. If you would like further information on RefWorks, you can go to their YouTube channel, scroll down, and look at all their tutorials they have available for students. And if you have further questions, you can get in contact with a librarian and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you for watching.